Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you some things that I have been getting in the last month. I usually record clothing hauls, you know, but this time I have not been getting that much clothes. I have been getting some clothes, but I'm just gonna keep those for another fall clothing haul. But this time I wanted to share some other things that I have been getting that is like more like in the nicer side. It's mainly makeup, but I also have another two items that are very exciting. So if you love to watch hauls and lookbooks and all the type of stuff, please hit the subscribe button. So the first makeup item, it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I'm sure you have seen this already in Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. And there are so many reviews and tutorials and everything already with this palette. And so yeah, I decided to get it. Of course, I was hesitating in getting this palette because I was like, I don't need more eyeshadow. I am fine with what I have. I don't need this beautiful purple eyeshadow palette. I do not need it. I couldn't resist. Like, oh my god, the pictures everywhere were like screaming my name. I love purple, so I had to do it. It's the eyeshadow that I am using in my eyes right now. Actually, pretty much everything that I'm going to share with you right now is what I'm using in my face. That was my way for me to show you how it works. So yeah, my eyeshadow makeup right now it's with this palette. And like everybody says, it has a lot of fallout. That's the only bad thing about it. Besides that, I think it's such a good palette. The pigmentation is amazing, easy to blend, beautiful colors. It's totally worth it. It's just, I think it's like $42, something around that. So it's not like crazy expensive. So yeah, I think it's definitely worth it, and I'm super happy that I decided to get it. Another palette that I got like a month ago that it was on sale in Ulta, it's the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. It was on sale for like 50% off. So that's the reason for why I got it, because like I said, I don't need more eyeshadow, but it was like what, $24, something around that. So I decided to give it a try. And this is the thing, I didn't have any Too Faced item before. I don't know why. I always wanted to try them, but I don't know. But I could have my hands on this one, and I am super happy about it because now I understand. I understand why everybody is obsessed with this brand and is obsessed with these palettes. It's amazing, the quality, the pigmentation, the blendability, everything. It's just so good. Actually, it turned out good because I didn't have any colors like this one in my collection. So these like more pinky and soft colors, I didn't have anything like that. So it turned out so good that I got this palette, and I'm loving it too. The next product is the foundation that I am wearing right now, and it's the ESTEE LAUDER Double Wear Foundation. This is in the color Down. I wanted to try this foundation for so long, but since it's more like in the expensive side and I have plenty of foundations, I didn't have like an excuse to get it. I have oily skin, and I hear that it's really good for the oily skin people. That's why I was like really interested. I hear like people love it, like people like really with oily skin really love it. That's why I was like really intrigued. And now I can see it totally mattifies your skin, and I'm really liking it. I actually got it in a set with this that is called Meet Your Match, and it has the primer, has a brush, and makeup remover wipes. Yeah, I didn't even open it yet, as you can see. Let's see how it looks. These are the wipes. It has just 5. This is the brush. Interesting. And the tiny little primer. So excited to try those too. Then from the Sephora Appreciation event, I got some little things. Are just 4 items. I didn't want too crazy. I'm just a beauty insider, so I just had the 10% off. But that was an excuse enough, I guess. Like I mentioned before, after trying the Chocolate Bonbons palette from Too Faced, I realized why everybody loves the brand and that is really good. And when people with skin like mine, like oily skin, talk about these products, they like talk wonders about them, and that's why I was really intrigued, and I don't know, I really wanted to try these two products and I just needed an excuse. The first one, that is the, hold on, it is it Too Faced Fish Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. One of my favorite YouTubers, that is Casey Holmes. I always take her recommendations about this type of products because she has oily skin, and what I try that she recommends for oily skin always works. So that's why I decided to give this one a try. So far so good. It's the mattifying powder that I'm using in my face right now. It's the first time that I am using it. That's why I don't have a lot to say about it, but I think that it's working, I guess. And I also really wanted to try the Sweethearts bronzer, and same thing, all because people talking wonders about it, like many of the YouTubers that I like, and I don't know, like the reviews are amazing. So I really wanted to try it. Plus this packaging, oh my god. So it's the bronzer that I am wearing right now. So far so good. Like I said, I don't have like a lot to say about it because it's just the first time that I'm using it, but it seems to be as nice as it claims to be. So I got those from Too Faced, and okay, so I really wanted to try something from the Fenty Beauty brand by Rihanna. I wanted to try something, whatever it was, and I decided to give it a try to these Plush matte lipstick in the shade Spanned. I read that it was like the perfect type of nude. I am not wearing this one right now because like I did like this purpley eyes. I decided to use this purple lipstick that I have never used before. This is from Colourpop, so I thought it was like a good time to use it. So I didn't use this one yet, but I read that it's like a really good nude, even when I don't think that it really looks like a nude. Super light. It feels like there's like nothing inside, but there is something inside, I think. And the next item, I got it totally by the influence of another of my favorite YouTubers, that is Kathleen Lights. I think in her video for the appreciation event from Sephora, the recommendations that she was giving, she mentioned this item, that it's the Agave lip balm from the brand Bite Beauty. So she was talking about how good this is to smooth your lips, gives this like nice feeling, and how it's really good to apply under any lipstick, especially like matte lipsticks. Like I really struggle with matte lipsticks that makes me feel really dry, and sometimes it doesn't look as dry as I feel it, but sometimes it looks really dry, doesn't look good. So that's why I decided to give it a try, even when this lip balm is $18. Like I was not that happy about the price, but she talked that good about it that I decided to give it a try, and I am so glad I did. Packaging, it's so cute, it's so nice and sleek. And now we're gonna jump to some shoes. I just have one pair to show you from Michael Kors, and are these beautiful, 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 shiny black pumps. They are so pretty, and the most important, comfy. That was like a big thing for me. I tried them, I walked with them for a little around the shoe section, but luckily they are really comfy, really pretty, and yeah, I fell in love. I couldn't resist. I got them and I cannot be more happy. And the last item, it's gonna be like an unboxing, but I mean, I saw it in the store and everything, but I didn't open it, and I'm gonna do it right now, right here. So this is a luxury item, and I saved for it around 4 to 5 months, and I was like between 3 different purses. This is the purse. And then I saw in Saks Fifth Avenue that they had this one that was one of my 3 options, well, the 3 things in my wish list. I saw that this one was with some sort of sale. It was something like $300 less when you buy something that is $1,000 or more, something like that. The point is that I saved $300 in this item. That's why I decided to get this one. That was like the thing that made me make the decision, because it has this discount. I could get this discount in just this one, not in the other 2 purses that were in my wish list. So that was the reason for why I ended up getting this one that you're gonna open with me right now. And the purse is a Saint Laurent one. You can see that it's small, very small. Comes in this nice packaging from Saks. And then it comes with a dust bag from Saint Laurent. And the beautiful purse that I got, it's the YSL Wallet in black textured Mattemoiselle leather. Yeah, this one that I'm sure that you have seen around a lot. I know that it's pretty classic. It's kind of like a staple in so many wardrobes. So this is how I am planning to use it more, like crossbody, and of course as a clutch in some, you know, nice events and stuff. But yeah, I think that I'm going to use it more as a clutch. It has all these nice card slots. I don't know if you can see it right there. Probably not. Yeah, this is the purse that I decided to get. Like I said, I got it with a $300 discount. I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm actually very proud. So yeah, I'm very happy and very excited to own my first YSL purse. So that is it for my video. I hope that you like it and that you enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you like to see this type of videos. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Bye!